Am I audible, guys? Am I audible, guys? Come on. Yes, guys. I hope everyone came. Yeah. Listen, yesterday I was talking about what here? 1 plus n select problem. Did you remember? Or some in many to one case it is many n plus one. In many to one it is n plus one here. In one to many it is 1 plus n. Are you getting my point? Yes. What is the meaning of that? If we use regular HQL or any whatever it is, if you use regular HQL or whatever it is, in one to many or many to one association, it generates one select query to get all the parents and generates n select query to get the childs of n parents. It generates n select query to get the childs of n parents. Are you getting my point there or not there? What is 1 plus n select problem and how to resolve this problem? Yes, yesterday we have seen practically, okay, and I have shown that code also. Let's check it out. In my database, two parents are there and each parent is having two childs. Each parent is having two childs. Run as a Java application. Run as a Java application. Come on. Run as a Java application. Are you getting my point there? Yes. See this one select query to get all the parents. Okay, another select query to get the childs of first parent. Another select query to get the childs of second parent. So one query to get all the parents, n select queries to get the childs of n parents. So that's why 1 plus n select problem. So it looks like it is 1 plus n select problem in case of one to many association. In case of many to one association, it looks like what? N plus 1 select problem. Understanding my point? One to many association. Yeah, see boss, my computer is running with mobile data. Today network got some issue, guys. I hope everything is perfect from my side. Audio, video, everything is okay. Is audio, video, everything is perfect. Any problem, bring to my notice. Yeah. One to many association. 1 plus n select problem. Many to one. association n+1 select problem. Okay, boss. n+1 for select problem. Right, guys. Let it be, guys. Now focus. I want to have a solution for this problem, boss. Okay, na? Solution. The possible solutions for, I'll rename today's document, don't worry. The possible solutions for 1 plus n or n+1 select problem. Problem is A, QBC with fetch type, QBC with fetch type join, QBC query by criteria or JPQBC. JPQBC, Java persistence query by criteria. Okay, with fetch type join. B, using fetch joins, using fetch join entity query, using fetch join entity query, using fetch HQL join, boss, fetch HQL join, using HQL join as scalar query. Yeah, these are the solutions we got here. These are the solutions we got. Note, we cannot specify fetch. We cannot specify fetch types with HQL and native SQL, boss. We cannot specify fetch type join is there, na? We cannot specify fetch type with what is this? HQL, nothing but JPQL or native SQL. Fetch types will work only with criteria API, nothing but QBC. I hope you remembered we studied all this stuff, guys. So can I think about solution of this problem, guys? Can I practically implement solution for this problem or not there? Yes. Okay. Close project. Close project. Now let me have a solution one. What is solution one, guys? So first I'm going to use QBC. Yes, sir. Why are you using same document? Simple reason, guys. Because already problem is discussed in this document and I want to have solutions in the same document. No other reason. Please notice that. Yes, guys. Yeah, we'll rename the document. I'll rename the document. Don't worry. Yes. Let's see. One too many DAO dot Java. Public void. Load data using parent through QBC. Load data using parent through QBC. Through QBC. Add unimplemented methods. Simply add unimplemented methods. Hmm. This is anyhow regular. I hope you remembered QBC story, guys. I hope you remembered QBC story. Remembered or not remembered? Yeah. How to work with QBC? Got idea, na? Right. Yeah. Prepare 1 minute. I will write end part also. Select operation only, not a problem. End of the method. Prepare criteria object. What object? Prepare criteria object. Fine. How to prepare criteria, boss? Criteria is equal to session dot create criteria of what is the class, guys? User info dot class. User info dot class. Yeah, it's a deprecated. That's why we are going for JPQBC nowadays. You know that, right? It's a deprecated. That's why we are going for JPQBC. Understanding my point there? Yes, guys. Next one. Then we have to execute it, guys. List user info. List is equal to criteria dot list of. You will get all the. When you load parent, automatically childs will be loaded. You know that. For each user, comma, floor bracket, sysout, parent plus user. Right, parent plus user. Next one, parent is printed. Next, I think property type, special property is set collection. Childs is equal to each get phones. Tell me, childs dot for each phero. What hero? phero sys out child colon ph. Child colon ph. Okay, still I have not applied fetch type. Please observe. One too many bidirectional test. DAO dot. Okay, load data using parent through QBC. One too many test. Still two parents are there. Each parent is having two childs. Yes, guys. One select query. One. Yes. Still what happened? 1 plus n queries only came. 1 plus n queries only came. Did you observe that? Did you observe that? Come on, guys. Did you observe that 1 plus n queries only came? Yeah, what should I do, sir? How to reduce that queries count, sir? Go to mapping file. Yeah, different fetch types are there. I'll explain different fetch types later. Fetch is equal to default is join, guys. I'm also keeping join there. Fetch is equal to join. What is the mention? What is the one I mentioned? Fetch is equal to join. Yes. Now you observe. Okay, not default. If you mention, okay. Observe everything came because of single query. Everything happened because of single query. Did you notice it? It is using internally joins concept, guys. What concepts? Joins concept, guys. And somehow we are getting single query. Did you notice that or not there? How many select queries are generated, guys? Single select query is generated. Did you notice it, guys? Come on, come on. Yes. Suppose you decided not to mention fetch type here. No problem. We can mention fetch type in some other place. What is that some other place? Here, guys. criteria dot set fetch mode. Fetch mode. What is the special property? Phones is the special property. Fetch mode dot join. I'll explain different fetch modes later. I'll explain different fetch modes later. One too many bidirectional test. One too many bidirectional test. Again, single query is coming or not? Come on, my dears. Again, single query is coming or not coming up? Speak out, my dear. Speak out. Single query is coming or not coming up? Definitely coming. So that's why. So you QBC is right now here what? Using QBC. QBC. It is a old style. Yes, no. Using QBC. Here, what is the code, guys? Copy this. Paste it. Yeah, the most important thing is this one. Let me highlight this. Let me make it underline. Let me make it italic. That's the most important line. Remaining all are normal here. This one, fetch mode. Instead of writing fetch mode in the Java code, instead of writing fetch mode in Java code, come on, in Java code, we can also write in, okay, Hibernate mapping file. Hibernate mapping file. We can also write in, come on, Hibernate mapping file using fetch attribute of collection tag. Collection tag. What is that? Set list map bag and etc. Set list map bag and etc. Yes, guys. Set name phones. Are you understanding my point there? Right. Okay. Sir, still I have not introduced annotation driven association mapping now, guys. Right now I am teaching XML. In XML, this is the procedure. Okay, now? Sheikh Aziz, you are mixing up everything. Right now we are learning XML driven association mapping. When we meet in annotation driven association mapping, I will give equivalent annotations. Don't worry. Okay. Phones, guys. Phones. Next, lazy is equal to, laziness is different, fetch is different. Lazy says how child should be loaded, lazy la eagerly. Okay, fetch says, okay, now how many queries should be used to get the objects. So both are different, don't mix up, but okay, extra Okay, lazy is equal to extra. Yeah. Okay, right now I am writing fetch is equal to join. Here a number of stuff will be there. Right now that is not important. Fetch is equal to join, boss. Yeah, if you are interested, you can write cascade and other stuff also. Right now I'm not bothered, but most important thing is fetch is equal to join. Fetch is equal to join. No need of writing in uppercase, you can write in lowercase, not a issue. Fetch is equal to join. Join. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Here is my parent, here is my child. Either this or this. We have to mention either this or this. Fetch mode you can mention either here or you can highlight this one. It's up to you. Right. Everyone comfortable, guys? Right. Sir, you can mention fetch mode while working with JP HQL also, na. I also got the same thought, Bob. Check it out. In HQL query object, na. Okay, let's go for. Is there any method saying fetch mode? Fetch size is there, but fetch mode is not there. Did you notice it? Fetch mode is not there. Are you observing? Please respond in the chat box. So we cannot specify fetch modes while working with JPQL, HQL, and native SQL. No, sir, you can mention in the XML file, na, sir. If you mention in the XML file also, it will be ignored. Fetch is equal to join, guys. Okay, now you come. DAO.load data using parent. DAO.load data using parent. Load data. Still here, though I mentioned join, it is ignored or not there. Understanding? Then how to achieve while working with HQL? You have to write joins, boss. You have to deal with joins. Are you understanding? When you work with the joins, problem will be solved. But right now, my focus is not on that here. My focus is, I said, right now I have given QBC code, but I have to give JPQBC code also, na? Okay, my next code will be using JPQBC. Using JPQBC. Everyone remembered JPQBC code, or I should explain from the query builder? Remembered some code is there? Some code is there, remembered? Okay, let's see how much you can produce it. Copy this, paste it, JPQBC. JPQBC. Here, say paste. JPQBC. Okay, first three lines, first few lines, last few lines are same, guys. First few lines, last few lines are same. Yeah, if you forget JPQBC, don't scold yourself, guys. Okay, why? Because it's a bit complex query. Yeah, first we have to prepare query builder. Remembered? First we have to prepare query builder. Query builder is equal to query builder is equal to what is this? Session dot session dot get query builder. Help me, guys. Get query builder. Array, it's not giving a session dot get query builder. I think it's not that. Session dot create query builder. I'm not getting session dot get. Yeah, criteria builder. Sorry, it's not query builder, it is criteria builder. Okay. Criteria builder is equal to this. Okay, guys. Criteria builder is equal to this, guys. Next, what is the other object I should create here? Then I have to create criteria root object, criteria query object, root object. 1 minute. We will refer because that is also not striking to me, guys. 1 minute. Where is this? Where is this? JPA QBC. Okay, we'll just refer once. You will get idea. Nothing else. JPA QBC, guys. It is not there. Yeah, there are 2-3 things we should do. I know that. We should download from backup. Okay. Okay, let's revise. Let's recollect and develop here. Let's see how our brain work. Create criteria builder. Criteria builder. Next, create criteria query object. Select operation na criteria query object. Then we are having criteria query. What is there, guys? Criteria query user info. Okay, CT query is equal to builder dot create criteria query user info dot class. User info dot class. Then tell me create root object. Remembered root 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 is equal to come on ct query dot from ct query dot from ct query dot from come on, from which class, guys? Entity class. What is that entity class? What is the class name? User info dot class. User info dot class. Yes, guys. Root user info root ct query dot from user info dot class. Then what should I do? I think I have to link this root object to criteria query, it seems. Come on, come on. What is this? ct query dot select ct query dot select root. Add root object to criteria query object. Criteria query object. Criteria builder is ready. Criteria query is ready. Come on. Root object is ready. Come on here. Root object is ready. ct query dot select of root. ct query dot select of root. Are you understanding my statement there or not there? Yes, guys. ct query dot select of root here. After this, what next? After this, what next? Come on. Yeah. Now we need to prepare a query object. Prepare query object. Yes, guys. How to prepare a query object? Query is equal to query is equal to tell me session dot create query of criteria query object CT query. Mm. CT query. Right now, no conditions, nothing, guys. Now, then normal execution. What is the normal execution? Normal execution, guys. Tell me. List string. Sorry. List. User info. List is equal to query dot get result list. Okay. List dot for each user flower bracket open sys out parent colon plus user tell me set phone number childs is equal to user dot get phones childs dot for each ph arrow open flower bracket sys out child colon plus ph child colon plus ph yes child colon plus ph end of the method. Please notice I have mentioned get result list right only na add type argument fixed problems in file unchecked. Okay, not a issue, guys. Anywhere I should write this. Okay, no problem. Yeah, child object this one. Already we have mentioned in the mapping file fetch is equal to join. One too many bidirectional. Oh, sorry, mistake is mine. Nothing will execute because no method is called. DAO dot okay JPQBC JPA Java persistence. How many queries are coming, guys? Check it out. How many queries are coming? 1 plus n select queries are coming or not there? 1 plus n select queries. Did you notice it? I mentioned, I mentioned, I seriously mentioned fetch type, right? Fetch type in the mapping file, what I mentioned, join I mentioned, but still we are getting what? 1 plus n select queries. Did you notice it? Okay, here there is no support. So let's go for this model. Let's go for this one. Here is there any option? Let me check. I too never experimented earlier. CT query dot get restriction. All these are there. So here there is no option. Here there is no option. Query dot fetch mode. Here also fetch size is there, for fetch mode is not there because it's the same old query object. Okay, let's search in the builder. Builder dot. So there is no option of what? Come on, fetch mode. That means it is also going to like HQL query only, boss. Why here also we are using query object? Are you understanding my point? Let me try with root. Let me try with root. Okay. Create inner join to the specified set value attribute. Here join set is there, na? Join set is there. Here I am writing phones. Here I am writing phones. Let's see. Is there any option of going for this one? Right. Here what instruction we have given that is not working. Yeah. Now observe. Oh, then also we are getting 1 plus n queries. Huh? Oh, actually here queries are reduced here. Did you notice it? 1 plus 1 queries are coming. Did you observe this? 1 plus 1 queries are did you observe? Not one query to get all the queries of a child. Are you noticing that, guys? Okay. So let's see. Let's improvise that code. Let's improvise that code. Join set. mm, Join set, comma, join type. Join type. Join type. Okay, 1 minute. Join type dot. Left, right. This one is there. Left, right. This one is there. Okay, join type dot. I will take left. I will take what? Yeah, this time what happened? One query, two queries, three queries have come. Okay, fine, no problem. We will see this. Join type dot. Join type dot. Right. Inner common data I want to get. One too many bidirectional test. This time what happened? 1 plus 1 queries have come. 1 plus 1 queries have come. Did you notice it? One query to get the parent records. Another query to get all the child record. Or no. Here also 1 plus 2. Let me count. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. Okay, fine. Leave it. Join type. Next. What is next one? What is left? Right is there. Array, what join it has to use? I'm specifying. One too many bidirectional test, guys. Unsupported. Yeah, because it is not unsupported. Why? Because it is parent to child association. Na? This association is developed as what? Parent to child association. That's why problem has come. So if I don't mention anything here, what's happening, guys? If I don't mention anything here, what's happening? Okay. Join set, guys. Attribute name the target to join returns what? Resulting join. Illegal argument exception if argument by default inner join, boss. It will create inner join. Let's see this. One too many bidirectional. How many queries are generated? That is important for me. Yes, guys. One query, nice. Two queries, parent child. Array, same childs are coming twice. Did you notice it? Observe this. 8. No, it is not solving 1 plus n select problem, guys. It is still generating what? Yeah, there is a provision to work with the joins, but is it solving? Is it solving 1 plus n select problem? Okay, no. But still, I don't want to give up, guys, because I never experimented this. I want to give one or other solution. What is this? Solving 1 plus n select problem using JP QBC. in hibernate. How to identify and resolve what? 1 plus n select problem. N plus 1 select problem, JPA and hibernate. N plus 1 select problem, they are expecting what is 1 plus n select problem. Not a issue. Okay. Now I am asking about solution, guys. Solution. Acha, they have given in annotations, they have given no, yeah, I want solution through what? I want solution through what? Without annotations. Annotations I want to introduce later, guys. Annotation I want to introduce later. Everyone is talking solution by using annotations. Yeah, fetch annotation, I know that, but I want to talk with respect to XML and criteria QBC. Okay, criteria QBC. 1 minute. I'll try in one more angle before I come to one conclusion. Fetch mode in JPA criteria. Fetch mode in JPA criteria. Fetch mode in criteria. Yeah, listen. Employee dot root, employee dot inner. This is the only one option we are having, guys. Oh, wow. Join type inner, but inner with fetch. Yeah, here what is this? Fetch is there. Employee dot fetch is there. Let's see. Okay, here root dot fetch. Yes, guys, we have a method called what? Root dot fetch. Root dot fetch attribute name. Root dot fetch attribute name. Because in QBC it is there, means definitely it should be there in what? This one. Yeah. Let's have a look on it. I want to have single query generation. Yes. Now we got single query or not? Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. You got it. It's not join method. It is the fetch method. The method we should use there is what? Fetch method. Observe the output. How many queries are generated, guys? How many queries are generated? Single query is generated. Did you notice it? Did you notice it? I'm feeling records are coming, duplicates are. Fine, that's not a big issue. But basically you observe how many queries are generated. Only one query is generated. Got it? Yeah, this is another solution, guys. Okay. This solution using what? using JPQBC or JP criteria. JP criteria. The solution using JPQBC or JP criteria API. Bold. This is the most important one. Yeah. Note here the fetch attribute captain. Fetch attribute captain. Captain. Fetch is equal to join. Fetch is equal to join captain. Collection tags like set, list, map, bag does not work. Map does not work. Works or does not work? Definitely does not work. Yes, guys. I hope you enjoyed this point using JPQBC and JP criteria API. Okay. Yes, in both we have a support. We are both support. Yeah, different fetch modes I will talk later. This is solution 1. What is solution 2, guys? Using fetch HQL join as a entity query. Using fetch HQL join as a entity query. That's the second solution. Let us worry about it now. Let's see now. Public void load data using parent. Load data using parent through HQL join. HQL join. HQL joins. Declaration, guys. Basic story is again same, guys. Copy this. Again, basic story is same. Paste this. Yes, guys. Fine, guys. Yes, we are ready with this. Now I want to create a query object having HQL query, not normal query. Normal HQL join query, guys. Let's see. Query is equal to execute HQL join query, guys. Inner join only we have to write. Query is equal to, come on, session dot create query. Session dot create query. Session dot create query. Yes, in annotation I will explain what is the annotation we are having. So if it is annotation environment, we have to use @fetch annotation, guys. But right now I am not touching, but I will write the word using @fetch annotation D, because for interview room we have to worry about that. So in annotation environment we have what? Using @fetch annotation. Using @fetch. Okay, @fetch annotation. What is that? @fetch. Array, I have to write that one clearly now, guys. 1 minute. @fetch. Wait, I will tell. Exact representation I will tell. @fetch, guys. TCH. @fetch. Fetch profiler. No, yeah. What's happening? Why I'm not able to apply, guys? Wait. User info.java. Yeah. @fetch. Oh, they changed this one. Huh? Fetch profile. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. No, 1 minute. 1 minute here I will tell. Yeah, here you have to mention fetch type dot fetch type dot eager in @one too many annotation using what? Fetch attribute, you have to specify that. If it is annotation environment, we have to mention that. I will tell, okay, not @fetch, it's my mistake. So here, what should I write? Number D. I don't extra display this one now. I don't show this one now. I will just demonstrate later. But if it is annotation environment, what to do? What is the annotation? Uh, one too many and many too many, guys. Are you understanding my point there? One too many. Okay, one too many or triple X many. Triple X too many too many, and one too many. There is no other option we have. One to one will be there, many to one will be there. That means only two tags, either one too many or many too many. Here we have to specify fetch is equal to fetch type dot eager. Fetch type dot eager. Yeah, this is equal to join, guys. This is equal to join. Fetch type dot eager. Is that clear? So when it comes to this triple X here, one possibility is one to one, another possibility is many to one. I'm talking with in annotation environment how to handle this. This is how we have to handle it. In XML environment, we can use one of these things. So these are in what? XML driven configurations. This is in what? Annotation driven configurations. Annotation driven configuration. Fine. Yes, guys. Now come back. Forget about all the things. Now come back. Focus on our job. What is our job? Load data using this one, not this. One too many DAO, HQL join. Yes. I have to implement this method or not. Let's focus on implementing this method. Now concentrate. End of the method, guys. Okay, end of the method. Give me 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. హలో ఎక్కడున్నావు అమ్మా వచ్చేసా పైకి వచ్చేసాను సెకండ్ అదే లిఫ్ట్లో సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ కొట్టి వచ్చేసేసి లిఫ్ట్లో సెకండ్ నెంబర్ సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ ఓకే ఓకే కొట్టేసి guys, everyone please listen to me. Give me 15 minutes time. My internet service engineer has come. My internet service engineer has come, okay, to resolve the internet issues. After talking to him, I will come back. Okay, just 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, class will resume back. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. After 15 minutes, class will resume back. Please.